Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita, simple meaning, chapter 2, Sankhya Yoga, verse 53. Shruti vipratipanna te yada sthasyati nischala samadhavachala buddhi tada yogamavapsyasi. Shruti vipratipanna te yada sthasyati nischala samadhau achala buddhi tada yogam avapsyasi. When your intellect, fed up with bewildering scriptural doctrines and their interpretations, finally settles in steady and unwavering introspection in the spirit, in the Atman, then you will attain to real yoga. When your mind, which is disturbed by conflicting ideas coming from hearing various things from the Shruti here, Shruti Vipratipanna. Shruti is actually Vedas. So from Vedas you will hear so many things, the knowledge about so many things, to attain so many things. So in the previous shloka, as it was told, yada te moha kalilam buddhir vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. So that nirveda, vairagya comes for what you have been heard earlier and what you are yet to hear. That means to know many things. So here also same thing. So many things we may read, we may know, but with all that doctrines, interpretations, when the mind gets fed up with all those things, and then finally it becomes steady. Yada sthasyati nischala. When the mind becomes steady, overcoming all this distraction of hearing this, hearing that, reading this, reading that, etc., that mind becomes steady. Where? In samadhi. Samadhau. In samadhi. And what is samadhi? Says Acharya Shankara, Asmin samadhiyate iti samadhi. That in which you get established, that is, in yourself, the Atman, in your own infinite self. Achala buddhi. The buddhi becomes achala, immovable, steady. So that is the state you will get by what is called the spiritual progress, spiritual growth, adhyatmika vikasa. So this is the state of a person who, after knowing, listening, hearing many things, ultimately he will get vairagya for all those things, and then his mind becomes steady, nischala, sthita. So that person will have a concentrated mind. His mind gets concentrated with that introspection in himself, in his Atman. So such a person will actually attain to the real yoga. So in the next, after listening to this, Arjuna will be curious, to know how such a man will be, what are the features of such a person who is established in such pradnya. So it is called sthita pradnya. So that will be described in the coming shlokas from 54 onwards. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.